Hello everybody, welcome back. And today this is going to be another video of Injustice 2. Right, so, no, we're not playing as Catwoman. So today we're going to be playing as, Green Lantern.
Green Lantern.
Wait, no, he's not green. Oh, there we go, there we go. Alright, and our opponent is going to be Black Canary.
Black Canary.
Alright, medium. Right, hang on, I gotta set the camera correctly. Alright, let's go fight in Red Sun Prison.
Fighters approaching Red Sun Prison.
The Guardians forgave you.
Trust me, I had to work for it.
Well, you haven't earned my forgiveness.
Hang on, I wanna see some. Okay, alright. Never mind. I was gonna look at moves, arena transition.
Even Safe Walker can't help you.
She has her super move available. I have mine available too. I'm gonna try to use it. Hang on, I wanna use it. I wanna use my super move. There we go. Dang it, she blocked it. Clash.
Losing your charge.
I'm keeping up.
And yeah, I lost. Clash. Oh. Alright, hang on, we'll try to finish this, and I just won.
Green Lantern wins.
Alright, so Green Lantern wins the first match. You got 3 more. Alright, oops, not Harley Quinn, we used you before. Okay.
Green Lantern.
Alright, Green Lantern. Black Canary. Alright, let's go to Gorilla City.
Fighters approaching Gorilla City.
Alright, so now we're gonna be fighting in Gorilla City.
I'm not some barroom brawler.
You're not a trained assassin either.
Fair enough. Let's do this. Begin.
Hang on. Alright. I was trying to do a combo there, but I couldn't do it.
It wasn't my fault, Dinah.
You see, that's why I was trying to look up moves earlier so that I can try to do the combo I just did. But, uh-oh. Oh no, super move. Darn it. She did her super move on me. battle number 2 is done. So far, I won both of them.
Green Lantern.
Oh, wait, hang on. I don't want him to be red. Wait, hang on. Wait, I don't want him to be red. I want him to be green.
Green Lantern.
No, I don't want him to be red.
Green Lantern.
Thank you. You know, there's an option. You know, there is something on this game that has you, like, customize your characters. So, like, I'm able to, like, make Green Lantern red. But yeah, I didn't want him to be red because, I mean, his name is Green Lantern. Alright, so this is battle number 3. Let's go to Fortress of Solitude.
Fighters approaching Fortress of Solitude.
Alright, here we go. About to fight.
Here to yell at me, Dinah?
Want me to sing for you?
Honestly, that's preferable.
Begin.
Ah, I tried to do the combo, but it wouldn't work. Ugh. Alright, so far doing pretty good.
Pass behind us.
I'm trying to do that combo again. Darn it. I'm close to winning though. That's not what I'm trying to do. You see that? The one when he does it twice, that's what I was trying to do. I mean, I still won though. Alright, this is going to be the final match. Alright. Alright. Green Lantern. Black Canary. Okay. Let's go to Gotham City.
Fighters approaching Gotham City.
Go to hell, Jordan.
We've all made mistakes.
Well, you haven't earned my forgiveness.
Here we go. Hang on, I'm trying to do that combo thing. Darn it. I'm trying to do a combo and it won't work. It's not the one I just did. The one right there.
At least make this challenging.
No, not that. Oh god. Darn it. Alright, I think I'm just gonna finish this. No, don't do it. She did it twice. She did a super move on me twice. And I haven't done my super move on her yet. I know. Embarrassing. But I won.
Green Lantern wins.
Alright guys, well I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because I'm getting pretty close to hitting 50 subs. Comment in the comment section what you thought of this video. Comment in the comment section if you want a shout out. And remember, by the time I reach 100 subscribers, that's when I'm gonna try to do live streams on the computer. I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.